Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix the WOF driver encountered a corruption in the compressed files resource table. So guys, to resolve this DISM error, follow some easy steps. Firstly, click on Start. Now here type CMD. Now right click on command prompt and run as administrator. It will ask permissions, so click on yes. Now guys, I will give this command in description, copy one by one and paste there. So firstly copy this one and paste here, then press enter. It will take a couple of minutes, so complete this process. And once this complete, now guys, once this complete, copy and paste this second command line. And guys, once this second command line will scanning process will be complete, close it and restart your PC or laptop. So hopefully guys, using this simple and easy steps, we can fix and we can resolve the WOF driver encountered a corruption in the compressed files resource table. Thanks for watching guys. Please comment this method work for you or not.